Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Soupy Maggi. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 packet of Maggi noodles and about 2 to 3 cups of water, depending on your desired soupiness. You can also prepare any extra vegetables like carrots, peas, or capsicum and protein such as egg or chicken to enhance your meal. This recipe is quick and comforting. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by boiling 2 to 3 cups of water in a saucepan over medium-high heat. Once the water reaches a rolling boil, carefully add your Maggi noodles. Stir them gently to ensure they separate and cook evenly. Let them simmer for approximately 2 minutes, allowing them to soften slightly but not fully cook through yet. Next, it's time to infuse that signature Maggi flavor. Stir in the entire contents of the Maggi Taste Maker packet. If you're adding vegetables like chopped carrots, peas, or capsicum, or any protein, now is the perfect moment to incorporate them. Continue to cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes, or until your added ingredients are tender and the noodles are perfectly cooked. Your delicious Soupy Maggi is now ready. Carefully pour the hot noodles and broth into a serving bowl. For an extra touch of freshness, you can garnish it with some chopped fresh cilantro or a small squeeze of lime juice. Serve it immediately while it's piping hot and enjoy this wonderfully comforting and flavorful meal. It's perfect for any time of day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.